Hello everyone, I am Bobita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about 30-day challenge, task or action to improve your English speaking. So you watch this video till the end because in this video, I will completely explain about it. So without further delay, let's begin the video. Here, first of all, I would like to tell about what is means task. Task means work or action. Task means काम या कार्य. Action means काम या कार्य or work means काम या कार्य. I hope you understood about action, work or task. Well, now I am going to tell about 30 days challenge, act, task and action. Let's see. Task number one is that watch any two English cartoons or animated videos every day for a month. Guys, here, why am I focusing to watch English cartoons videos or English animated videos every day? Why? Because for your improvement, yes. Because for your English fluency, because for your confidence, yes. That's why I am emphasizing you to watch English 2 cartoons videos or animated videos. Watch every day, yes. Guys, now I am going to suggest you two English cartoons videos or animated videos. Let's see. Guys, first of all, you have to go in the YouTube channel and you have to search English animated videos or English cartoons videos. Okay, and after that means, and after searching, you will get different types of English cartoons videos. Means English cartoons videos are available on YouTube channel. You are, as well as here I will suggest you one thing more. You can search English stories videos, yes. And after that, you will get different types of English cartoons videos, English animated videos, English uh, stories videos. Okay, after getting these videos, you have to choose two of them. Okay, it's up to you. What do you prefer or what do you like and what do you choose and what do you want to watch? Okay, it's up to you. What are the best qualities of English cartoons videos or animated videos? Let's see. You know, first of all, I would like to tell about the sentences or the words or the pronunciation or the meanings and the speaking way of English cartoons videos or animated videos are really helpful and very understandable to listen. Yes, if you watch English cartoons videos or animated videos every day for a month, guys, I guarantee you, you will be definitely capable to speak English, as well as you will be definitely able to improve English within 1 month. I guarantee you, yes. But you have to work daily, not one day. You can say it's your task, it's your first task, and you have to do your first task regular because first task has a lots of power. It can improve your English confidence, your English fluency, your English speaking way, and your English speaking style, your English speaking method, and it can improve your English pronunciation, and means it can improve everything in yourself. Yes, but you have to watch regular. Automatically you will be capable to speak English within 1 month. If you do not watch regular two English cartoons videos or animated videos, guys, you will be not capable to speak English within 1 month. These videos has a lots of power, and these videos has a different types of style of speaking way. Yes, that's why I am recommending you, as well as I'm suggesting you, you must watch these two English videos every day for a 1 month. And after that, ultimately, you will find sudden change in yourself, and you will be capable to speak English in front of everyone as well as in front of anyone. But you have to develop habit of English watching video. After that, you will be able to get anything in English speaking, and after that you will be able to do everything, and after that you will be capable, you will be enabled, you will be able to speak English, to improve your English fluency, to improve your English confidence, to improve anything in English speaking, as well as to improve anything in yourself. I hope you understood about first action. The second action is that listen 100 or 150 English words every day within 1 month. Guys, here, why am I emphasizing to learn 100 or 150 vocabulary or words every day within 1 month? Because English vocabularies have a lot of power. It can improve anything in yourself. But if you do not learn any English vocabulary, guys, I know you will be not capable to speak English, because no one can speak English without words, without vocabulary, without word meaning. That's why I'm emphasizing you to learn English vocabulary, or to learn English words as much as possible you can. But you have to learn regular. It's your challenge, or you can say it's your task. You have to learn within 1 month, not more 1 month. It's up to you how many vocabulary or words meaning do you learn. Well, it's your action you have to do. And after learning English vocabulary, you will be capable to speak English freely, frankly, fluently, confidently in front of everyone. I guarantee you guys, because English vocabularies has a lots of power. It can improve your hesitation, it can improve your confidence, it can improve your English fluency, it can improve anything in yourself. That's why I am suggesting you everyone learns vocabulary. The third action is that to develop two habits of think in English and understand in English 24 hours. Guys, why am I focusing to think in English or to understand in English 24 hours? Because thinking has a lots of power, and along with it, understanding also has a lots of power. If you think as well as if you understand 24 hours in English, here, that's why I am suggesting you to think in English as well as understand in English 24 hours. It's your task, it's your three tasks, means it's your three actions. Well, you have to do regularly. After that, you will be get very good result very soon. You have to think in English, as well as you have to train your subconscious mind to think in English as well as to understand in English. Because thinking has a lots of power. It can improve your confidence, it can improve your thinking power, it can improve your understanding power. That's why everyone thinks in English, everyone understand in English, because no one can speak English before thinking, as well as no one can speak English before understanding. If you do this, ultimately or one day you will be definitely capable to think in English, all English words in English, as well as you will be definitely capable to understand all English words in English. Thinking as well as understanding both plays very important role in English speaking. That's why everyone says you must think in English, you must understand in English. The fourth action is that practice of English speaking by writing every day for a month. Guys, why am I focusing on practice? Because if you do practice regularly, after that and finally you will be definitely able to speak English, as well as to improve your English speaking very easily and very soon. Yes, and after that you will get confidence in yourself, and you will get fluency very easily and very well. That's why I am recommending you must do practice every day. If we write anything in English or if we write anything in Hindi, while writing, we recall English words or Hindi words very easily. We understand those words, those English words or those Hindi words very easily. And the fifth action is speak English by practicing. You can follow this way very easily and you can work on this way very easily. You can speak English by practicing like this. If you are going to the market, you start to speak English. I am going to the market. I am going to purchase something. If you are standing in front of your home, you can speak English. I am standing in front of my home, or you can speak English. I am standing front yard of my home. Okay, if you are sitting in the porch or if you are sitting in your room, you can do practice or you can speak English. I am sitting in the room, I am sitting in the porch. Well, I hope you understood about fifth action. Fifth action has also a lots of power. That's why I am suggesting you must speak English by practicing. The sixth action is that mirror practice or camera practice. Guys, why am I focusing on mirror practice or camera practice? Camera practice as well as mirror practice both have a lots of power and both plays very important role in English speaking. That's why mostly person uses this way, because if you do practice in front of the mirror, if you do practice in front of the camera, automatically your English will improve. Because if you will face camera or if you will face mirror, you will look your face into the mirror, you will look your facial expression, body actions in the camera. If you try to speak English in front of the camera or in front of the mirror, you will be capable to speak English without fear, without hesitation, as well as without shame in front of everyone. But you have to do practice regularly. Camera as well as mirror will give you a lots of power, as well as will improve, as well as overcome your hesitation, your anxiety, your fear, your shame. If you will face, then you will be do anything in English speaking. But you have to face camera as well as you have to face mirror. You will be able or you will be capable to speak English frankly, confidently, fluently in front of everyone. I hope you understood about camera practice or mirror practice. Narrate your day in English 24 hours every day for a month. Guys, why am I focusing to describe about yourself or narrate yourself? Because to describe about yourself has a lot of power. Yes, if you narrate yourself every day 24 hours when you get time, after that you will be capable to speak English. But you have to work this regularly. Check your progress or assessment your progress. Guys, why am I focusing on check your progress on assessment your progress? Because whatever you have learned, it means that how much time have you spent on these challenges, on these actions. You have to assessment about your progress. You have to check your progress. You will have the collections of English vocabularies. That's why you will be capable to speak English. Overall, this 30 days challenge is based on actions. Task means you can say big task, but I can say it's not big task, it's very easy task. Yes, I hope you understood about my all actions, my all task, as well as my 30 days challenge very easily and very clearly. If you understood about my 30 day challenge task or actions, you don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching my video.